coming in December, 25th of December this year, and will be his last film. He played grandfather of Amitabh Bachchan's grandson, who is in the lead role. Right now we are seeing celebrities who are coming in. We have already seen Salim Khan, who has gone inside. We are also seeing other celebrities who are coming in right now at the crematorium. It's a sad day for Indian cinema, as we lost the legendary Dharmendra. He is known for everybody we have spoken to, and I have also met him personally. He was the most humble and the sweetest person to talk to, and like Sharmila ji was just saying that, you know, she has never heard him screaming. That's only for on screen, the He-Man. And he was right now Salman Khan is seen coming right now. His convoy is approaching the gate of Pawan Hans, and there is extremely high security. I'm getting you the visuals from outside Pawan Hans. If you can see, the police has guarded his car and they are coming in. It's a completely tinted car, but it is Salman Khan who is driving inside in his Range Rover. We have constantly, there are celebrities who are coming in to pay their last respect. Again, to confirm that we have heard nothing from the family, but we have confirmation that we have lost the superstar.
And also, Abira, a word on Salman Khan. He's always been in awe of Dharmendra ji as an actor. Even in an interview, he had mentioned that he consistently followed one man after his father, and that was Dharmendra ji. He called him extremely handsome, a down-to-earth man. We also saw him at the Breach Candy Hospital some days back when the news came in of the actor being critical. A very, very precious bond there between Dharmendra ji and Salman Khan.
Yes, Salman Khan, we have always has said, you know, how fond he is of the Deol family. He is very close friend with Sunny Deol and Bobby Deol. Bobby and Sunny has always been talking about Salman Khan, and they are very, very good family friends. We have also known that, you know, he's very close to Dharmendra. Dharmendra treats him like his own son. Today, his father, everybody is here to pay their last respect. We are constantly seeing celebrities pouring in Pawan Hans, while we have heard nothing from the family about the death. But we at NDTV confirm that we have lost the Bollywood star Dharmendra today. He was admitted in the hospital, Breach Candy, in October when he complained of breathlessness, and later the family decided to shift him to his residence. He was on ventilator for quite some time, and then finally today we saw an ambulance. We heard about him being critical, and now then we saw that the ambulance left from his residence to Pawan Hans, followed by his family members. We have seen Amitabh Bachchan, Aamir Khan, Hema Malini, Salim Khan, Salman Khan, everybody coming into Pawan Hans crematorium, and we just hope their prayers with the family. They are all inside right now at the crematorium, and
also live with me from outside the crematorium. Right, Abira, do stay with me. Anuj also with me at this point from outside the crematorium. You know, Anuj, all those actors going in, be it Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, Aamir Khan, you have Salman Khan, all of them have beautiful stories to tell about Dharmendra ji. They've been so close to him. They've shared such beautiful moments with them. It's an emotional moment, not only for the family, but all these actors who are walking into the crematorium at this point. They've all had anecdotes to share with him in interviews, outside interviews. Today is a day they will be grieving the man they've been so close to, a legend who they've always looked up to. Anuj, if you can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you now.
Go ahead.
Oh, well, yes, the last update that we got, is something that we can officially now talk about the apprehension that we had since morning. The fateful news of actor Dharmendra actually, passing away at the age of 89. So the movement that we were seeing outside the crematorium, the movement that we were seeing outside his residence, the apprehension that it led to has actually been formally stated. Now is when we can actually speak about it. Now, keeping a watch on the actors, we've seen that there has been an increasing number of people who are entering the crematorium. Of course, for the first few minutes, right after the ambulance entered the crematorium, we did not see a lot of other celebrities enter. But in the last few minutes, we've seen Salim Khan, father of actor Salman Khan, and very popular writer, he also entered the premises. After that, actor Sanjay Dutt has also entered the premises. And besides that, also we are seeing that other celebrities are also now making their way to this crematorium. As you can also see on your screen, it is Mr. Roy who has entered the crematorium now. So all the people from all the spectrum of Bollywood industry, be it actors, be it